matter what you do.
የምታደርጉት ነገር አይደለም ወሳኙ
What matters
ወሳኙ ነገር
is what he did.
እሱ የሚያደርገው ነገር ነው
What matters is that his blood was what made us righteous.
ጻድቅ ያደረገን ደሙ ነው ዋናው
His blood made us able to be part of his family,
የሱ አካል እንድንሆን አድርጎናል
part of his kingdom,
የመንግስቱ አካል እንድንሆን
and worthy of having our prayers answered.
ስለዚህ ጸሎታችን ይመለሳል
So you don't have to be super important. You don't have to have a good job. You don't have to be rich. You don't have to be
መልካም
clever.
ስራ ሀብታም ባለጠጋ መሆን አይጠበቅባችሁ
You just have to know
ማወቅ ነው ያለባችሁ
that Jesus loves you
ኢየሱስ እንደሚወዳችሁ
the same as he loves everybody else.
ሁላችሁንም እንደሚወድ
And tonight,
ስለዚህ ዛሬ ምሽት
some of the people that he wants to